Hello everyone and good afternoon and thank you for being here again. My name is Julian and my position is sales in charge of Southeast Asia. And this session we will talking about the 5 topics: the BLDC motor control and induction heating control and power inverter control and the BMS product and power management product. And these 5 topics is focused on the energy emission and saving. The green energy, also known as the clean energy and renewable energy. The common type of the green energies like solar energy and wind energy and water energy. Compared with the traditional gas and oil, the green energy can produce through the cycle of nature. Now the green energy is a global trend, and a lot of products will comply with the energy efficient regulation and use the energy control technology to get a substantial instance. And now and future, Holtek is comply with the ESG Corporate Responsibility Standard. And Holtek is aimed to find a balance between the green energy and efficient load. And Holtek uses the high performance technology, high performance conversion control, and battery management system, and power management. And in the high performance conversion control, we focus on the BLDC motor control and and induction heating control and power inverter control. Why we focus on these 3 controls? Because in our life, a lot of products use this control in different applications. And Holtek uses the high performance conversion control in different product. It can reduce the carbon. So in the right side, we can see that the BLDC motor control can reduce the CO2 emission to 37%, and the induction heating control can reduce the CO2 emission to 52%, and the power inverter control can reduce the CO2 emission to the 96%. And later, we will introduce what kind of product will use this energy control technology. The first one is the BLDC motor control. The main product is the BLDC fan. And actually in our life have a lot of products use the BLDC motor control, such as the air conditioner or hair dryer. And this product uses the lithium battery and AC power. And we can use the BLDC motor to control the driver or power switch to drive the brushless DC motor. The Holtek BLDC control technology development. In the hardware, Holtek provides a small package design with a high-level integration. In the software, Holtek provides a high-performance control algorithm to get the high operating efficiency in diverse applications. And all of Holtek technology is compliant with the UL 60730. And Holtek also provides the platform can help you to reduce the development period. On the Holtek 8-bit BLDC MCU, in the hardware we provide a LDO voltage converter and BEMF filter, BEMF detection resistor, and high voltage level shifter and gate driver and power switch. And we use the hardware to get the sensorless square wave control and whole sine wave control. We use that to generate the sine wave and square wave to control the BLDC motor. And why we use the 2 ways to control BLDC motor is depend on the different application. The whole sine wave control, on the whole sine wave control, the advantage is low noise and low vibration. It's suitable for air purifier and refrigerator, defrosting fans. On the right side, the sensorless square wave control. The advantage is high token and simple control. They're suitable for virtual GUM and power tool and server calling fans. Let's talk about the Holtek solution. The 12-volt refrigerated defrosting fans. We suggest BLDC RM3341C for one-phase BLDC motor. This MCU combines a power switch and voltage comparator and overcurrent protection and whole sine wave to generate a sine wave to control one-phase BLDC motor. If you want to control the three-phase BLDC motor, we suggest the BD66FM8345C for three-phase BLDC motor control. And the 12-volt server fans, we suggest the BD66RM2441B one-phase to control a one-phase BLDC motor. This MCU combines the whole square wave control and gate driver and LDO and high voltage level shifter and voltage comparator to generate the square wave to control the PN switch to control the one-phase BLDC motor. And if you want to control a three-phase BLDC motor, you can choose the BD66FM6446B. This MCU provides the same function for three-phase BLDC motor. And if you want to control the three-phase BLDC motor directly, you can choose the BD66FM H346F for three-phase BLDC motor. And all of this MCU provide the small package is QFN 4x4. Then let's look at the market solution. Use Holtek solution, because we integrate the high voltage circuit, you can see that the schematic is very simple. So you can, after you choose our solution, you can use it for small handheld product or small housing. In the Holtek BLDC MCU also integrate a BEMF filter. In the left side, the normal solution, we can see that it's noise in the waveform. And after you choose Holtek solution, you can see that the waveform is very clear. We improve the product startup reliability and phase change accuracy. On the 24-volt and 48-volt server fans, we suggest the BD66RM2541G for one-phase BLDC motor. This MCU provides a whole square wave control and gate driver and LDO and voltage comparator to generate the square wave to control the one-phase BLDC motor. And if you want to control the three-phase BLDC motor, we suggest the BD66FN3546G. This MCU combines the BEMF filter circuit and BEMF detection register. And if you want to control a high voltage BLDC motor, we suggest the BD66FM6746G for three-phase BLDC motor. This MCU combines the gate driver. The voltage is up to 110 volts. Next Holtek solution is 2 or 3 series lithium battery virtual GUM. We suggest the BD66FM6352A for three-phase BLDC motor. And because this product uses the lithium battery, so the MCU combines the lithium battery charging management, also provide a zero standby power consumption function and combine the gate driver and overcurrent protection. And compared with the traditional solution, Holtek solution integrate the charger control circuit and charger control circuit and zero standby power circuit. So it's useful to reduce the PCB size. We can use this to handheld product. Then let's talk about the 32-bit BLDC MCU. Because 32-bit MCU provide more resource, we use that to create 1 to 3 shunt FOC square waveform control and closed-loop start and initial position detection and motor power ripple compensation to generate a sine wave and square wave to control a three-phase BLDC motor. About the FOC control, Holtek can provide a FOC algorithm to control three-shunt FOC and to one-shunt FOC. And we can see the right side, the one-shunt FOC circuit is more simple, so it's more difficult to control. Then about the motor zero stop, Holtek have two technologies. It depends on the different application. And in the initial position detection, the advantage is no backward rotation when the motor starts. So it's suitable for power tool. On the right side, the closed loop stop, the advantage is no noise when the motor starts. So it's suitable for floor fan and ceiling fan. The dual voltage hair drive Holtek solution, we suggest the HT32F65230 for two-shunt FOC control. This product has power management circuit and temperature detection circuit because this product need to control the heating coil. And on the MCU, we provide a motor power ripple compensation and overcurrent protection and high-speed ADC and two-shunt FOC control to generate a sine wave to control three-phase BLDC motor. About the motor power ripple compensation, in the left side, we can see that the current ripple, and use Holtek solution can decrease the current ripple by 73%. And use this technology can reduce the filter cost because sometimes we need to filter to reduce the ripple. And it's also useful to reduce the PCB size. About the vibration suppression technology, on the left side, you can see that the current wave have a surge jitter. And use our vibration suppression technology is useful to reduce the jitter. So in the right side, we can find the jitter is more smooth. About the 24-volt low voltage ceiling fan, we suggest HT32F65432A for one-shunt FOC control. In this solution, have the power management circuit and remote transceiver circuit. In the MCU, we provide a motor power ripple compensation and initial position detection, and one-shunt FOC control function and LDO and gate driver to generate the sine wave to control three-phase BLDC motor. And this solution passed the India B5 star energy efficient and customer complete test. About the one-shunt FOC noise suppression, in the top side, we can see the current wave have jitter. And after use Holtek one-shunt FOC noise suppression technology, we can see the bottom side. The current wave is become more smooth. Then, in a 2-series lithium battery electric toothbrush, we suggest HT32F65C40F for two-shunt FOC control. And this MCU, we provide a LDO and power switch and high-speed ADC and two-shunt FOC control. We can use it to drive the three-phase BLDC directly because this MCU combines a power switch. Compared to the traditional solution, our toothbrush solution combines the PN-MOS array into the MCU, so we will get the small PCB size. So for general purpose BLDC MCU, if your product requires a VF sine wave Hall control and require a square wave Hall or sensorless control, you can choose Holtek 8-bit MCU. And if your product require the square wave Hall or sensorless control and FOC Hall or sensorless control, you can choose Holtek 32-bit MCU. And especially the HT32F65240 is compliant with the UL standard. And if you require a CAN bus, you can choose the HT32F66246. And Holtek, in the high voltage application, Holtek combine the different switch in the MCU. So on the vertical axis, you can, based on your product, to choose different switch. On the horizontal axis, you can, based on the different voltage, to find out which MCU is suitable for your product. In the same condition for high voltage application, the 8-bit and 32-bit BLDC MCU can use the same way to find out which MCU is suitable for your product. But in this map, the 20 volt and 26 volt, the MCU is under development. So if you, we will release them soon. And Holtek focused on the BLDC motor over 5 years. From 2019 to 2023, Holtek shipped out more 70 KKPs. The customer service, Holtek can provide a competitive cost to end customer, and we also can provide a short delivery period and the development tool. And we can provide a high-level integration. Also, we have the motor workshop. About the BLDC motor workshop, this is the software. You can install the software in your computer, and you can implement your design through this workshop. In hardware, Holtek provides a low, mid, high evaluation board. After you finish your design, you can download your project code into our evaluation board to implement your product. And this BLDC workshop have special function. It's motor monitor. You can use it to monitor your BLDC motor status. And also, if you require the FAE support, our FAE also can use this function to help you, even you stay in different countries. For now, we have the BLDC motor workshop. In the future, Holtek will provide a facial gun workshop and cooling fan workshop and hair dryer workshop and special workshop for different applications. And now we change to the next topic is the induction heating control. The main product is the induction heating cooker. This product uses the AC power to. Normally, this product uses the AC power, and we can use the IH control MCU to control the IGBT, to control the induction heating coil, to heating the pole. Then after the pole temperature is rising, we can use the pole to cooking the food. The Holtek IH control technology development, for energy efficient heating, Holtek patented the cookware material detection and patented low power continuous heating. For safety and reliable, Holtek patented the fast detection and protection. And Holtek technology is compliant with UL IEC 60730-1. And also, for safety certification, Holtek patented the frequency jitter technology. The induction cooker have the two structure, the single IGBT IH and half bridge IH. And we talk about the single IGBT first. In hardware, Holtek provides a comprehensive hardware protection. In the software, we provide a PPG frequency jitter technology and low power continuous heating control. About a single IGBT comprehensive hardware protection, and normally this product uses the AC power. So in the left side, we can find when the power turn off, even turn on, the switch will happen. And when we use the induction cooker, the cook wheel will move. For this condition, Holtek have the IGBT over voltage protection and over current protection and automatic power off to keep your product have the high, stable, and ensure, and extend your product life. About the PPG frequency jitter technology, in the left side, we can see that the gray curve is for normal solution. This picture is for frequency domain. The amplitude is very high. Then after use Holtek technology, we average the temperature to different frequency. And use the way can reduce the EMI interference and enhance your product reliability. About the low power continuous heating, compare the traditional solution. When we use the traditional induction cooker, after we fix the temperature, the fire sometimes strong and sometimes too small. And after you choose Holtek technology, when we fix the temperature, the fire will keep stable. And use this way can save the energy and reduce the noise. Let's talk about the Holtek solution. It's a 1,500 watt induction cooker. We choose the HT45R1005. This MCU is OTP MCU for low-cost solution. And induction cooker also have the power management and control board and heating board. This MCU used on the heating board. And this MCU provide a comprehensive hardware protection and PPG frequency jitter technology and fast and constant power control. The 2,200 watt induction cooker, we suggest the HT45F005A, and this MCU also provide the comprehensive hardware protection and PPG frequency jitter technology and fast and constant power control for the induction cooker. If you have the control board, you want to control the heating board, you can choose HT45F006. The UR interface is available. The 2,200 watt low power continuous heating induction cooker, we suggest HT45F0035A. This MCU also provides a comprehensive hardware protection and provide a PPG frequency jitter technology, and also have the gate driver to control the IGBT, and this MCU can provide a low power continuous heating technology. And the same condition, if you want to design your control board and just want to use Holtek MCU in the heating board, you can choose the HT45F0036. The UR interface is available. Let's talk about the half-bridge IH MCU. In hardware, we also provide a comprehensive hardware protection. In the function, we provide a fast detection for cookware material. And in the half-bridge comprehensive hardware protection, compared with the traditional solution, the half-bridge induction cooker, we provide a resonance fast detection protection and resonance over current protection and AC power switch protection function. Use our solution can help your product stable and ensure and extend your product life. About the half-bridge edge control phase detection for cookware material, and normally we will use different material in induction cooker, and use this technique we can detect different material and provide a suitable power for your cooking. And use this way can improve the heating efficiency. The 3500 watt half-bridge induction cooker, we suggest the HT45F0075 and 74A. These two MCU also can provide a comprehensive hardware protection and provide a PWM, frequency jitter technology, and fast and constant power control and fast detection for different cookware material. And in this map, how we can choose the suitable MCU for your design. In the vertical axis, you can, based on the different structure, to find out the different application. And in the horizontal, you can, based on the different power, to choose which edge control MCU is suitable for your product. And Holtek is focused on the edge control MCU market over 10 years. And from 2018 to 2023, Holtek shipped out more than 135 KKPs. The customer service in the induction cooker, if you have any question to design the induction cooker, you can send your question to us. And we can provide the design service. It's professional and convenient. After you finish your circuit or finish your layout, you can send to us. We can help you to double check. The next topic is the power inverter control. The main product is the energy storage box. The energy in this application normally use the lithium battery to get the DC power. And normally we will boost the DC power to 400 volt, and we will use the power inverter MCU to generate the sine wave and output the AC power. Let's talk about the market size. From the 2021 to 2026, the energy storage box quantity, the market size still increase. So for now, it's a good timing we can focus on this product. The Holtek power inverter control technical development. In the hardware, Holtek provide a multiple power protection. With the internal hardware protection, we integrate the circuit into the MCU so we can provide an internal hardware protection. In the software, we provide a high-performance control algorithm. It can improve the conversion efficiency and accuracy control. And Holtek combine our hardware and software to provide a module to help you to increase the flexibility and stability. And Holtek technical team can provide a suitable solution architecture for different power specification. And what is the advantage in Holtek power inverter technology? We can provide an AC power algorithm. And in the hardware, we provide a security protection. We combine that to provide a module design to end customer. And all of our spec, all of our design is comply the global power specification and also can provide a high performance and low power consumption. In the power inverter MCU, in the power inverter, this product normally have the two sides, the DC circuit and AC circuit. In the DC circuit, Our MCU provide the PWM hardware isolate and DC in over current protection and under and over voltage protection, and also provide a battery management. In the AC side, our MCU can provide the SPWM hardware isolate and hardware multiplier and divider to create a DC to AC inverter control. So, about the AC pure sine wave output, Holtek used the SPWM hardware isolate and hardware multiplier divider with the DC and AC inverter control to control the driver to create the phase 0 and phase 1 and phase 2 and phase 3, and we will rebuild the waveform to create a pure sine wave. And normally, when we plug in the power cord, the waveform will change. But use the same technique, we can keep the waveform in the pure sine wave. And after use this technology, the THD is smaller than 2%. About the Holtek solution, the 100-watt pure sine wave inverter, the main product is the vehicle power inverter. We suggest the HT45R7130 and HT45F7550. In the DC side, we use the HT45R7130 to boost the DC power to 400 volt. In the AC side, we use our solution. We use the HT45F7550 to create a pure sine wave and output the AC power. And after use Holtek solution, the advantage is the total harmonic distortion is more than 2%. The AC power detection, about the AC power detection, Holtek solution integrate already. And Holtek solution also can provide a short circuit protection response speed is 1 microsecond. In the energy storage bus, normally have two structures. In the right side, the unidirectional inverter, Holtek solution is ready. And in the left side, the bidirectional inverter, Holtek use the 32-bit MCU to design this solution. We will release it soon. About the customer service, Holtek, after you finish your circuit or layout, you can send to Holtek. We can double confirm. And Holtek also can provide a solution for you. And especially Holtek, in this control, Holtek can provide a module for your reference. And my session is finished, and let's invite the next speaker, Will. Thank you.